Example 1 for the bisection method. Question is perform 5 iteration of the bisection method to obtain the smallest positive root of the equation f of x equals to x cube minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. This is the question. In this question you have to solve this equation by using bisection method, and you have to perform 5 iteration. Means you have to find 5 roots x1, x2, x3, x4 up to x5, right? And the equation to find the root is x cube minus 5x plus 1. In this question the interval is not given, so firstly you have to find the interval, and to procedure to find the interval is solution that f of x, this x cube minus 5x plus 1, right? So you have to find the interval in which the root of this equation is lies. So you will choose the value of x from the real number, right? Suppose the value of x is 0, so put the value of x 0 in this equation, and then you find the value. At the point 1 it should be positive, and at the other point it should be negative, and those points are called the interval in which the roots of this equation is lies, right? So at the point of 0, if I choose 0, x equals to 0, the value of the function at the point 0 is plus 1, right? If I choose the value of the x is 1, the value of the equation is minus 3. Put the value of x in this equation at 1, so 1 whole cube minus 5 into 1 plus 1, so we get minus 3, right? So at the point 0 is positive, at the point 1 is the value is negative, right? So our condition of this f of a into f of b लेस देन 0, यानी f of a क्या है आपका f0 and f of b क्या है आपका 1, and this is less than 0. f of 0, what is the value of f of 0 is 1, and the value at the point f of 1 is minus 3, so that is minus 3, and it is less than 0. So it means the roots of this equation is lies between 0 and 1. You have to check, you have to only choose the value, you have to choose only the point, not take the value, right? We will not use the value of the function at the point 0 and 1, right? You did not use the value 1 and minus 3, you only use the point 0 and 1, right? These values are only for the checking purpose, right? At the point 0, what is the value, it is positive or negative, and at the point 1, what is the value, that is negative or positive. You did not use these values in the formula. You have to only use the value of the points 0 and 1. So now according to the question, you have to find 5 iterations. So our first iteration is x1, and x1 equals to 0 plus 1 divided by 2, and the answer is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So first iteration or first root is x1 equals to 0.5. Now you have to find the value of x2, and it means you have to perform the second iteration. This is the first iteration, and now you have to perform the second iteration. To perform the second iteration, you have to find the new interval, and to procedure to find the new interval, you have to check the value of the function at the point 0.5. So now check f of x at x equals to 0.5. So we have f of x equals to x cube minus 5x plus 1. Now f of 0.5 equals to 0.5 whole cube minus 5 into 0.5 plus 1, right? So you will get the value is minus 1.375, right? And it is, and the value of this is 0, sorry, less than 0, right? At the value at the point f of 0.5, it is negative, right? So now you have to check the value at the point 0 and 1, and at the point 0 and 1, and where is it is positive. So at the point 0 it is positive, so your interval is 0 and 0.5, because at the point 0 your value is positive, at the point 0.5 your value is negative. So if we find the product of f of 0 into f of 0.5, right? F of 0 is 1 and f of 0.5 is minus 1.375, and it is less than 0. So it is fulfill the criteria of the bisection method. So your new interval is 0.0 and 0.5 to find the second iteration, right? So your second root is So your second root is x2 and x2 equals to 0 plus 0.5 divided by 2, that is 0.25, and this is your second iteration or second root. Now you have to perform the third iteration, right? Or you have to find the third root. So you have to check the value of the function at the point 0.25. So check f of x at x equals to 0.25. Now f of 0.25 equals to 0.25 whole cube minus 5 into 0.25 plus 1. Now you will get the answer is minus 0.23437. So at the point 0.25 your value is negative. Now you have to check at the point where the value is positive. So the positive value is at the point 0, right? So f of 0 is plus 1, and at the point f of 0.25 the value is negative minus 0.22343. So your new interval for the third iteration is 0 and 0.25. Now you can find the value of x3 or third iteration. x3 equals to 0 plus 0.25 divided by 2, that is 0.125, right? This is your third iteration. Now you have to find the value of the fourth iteration. So same procedure is follow. You have to check the value of the function at the point 0.125. Now fourth iteration, check f of 0.125, right? So f of 0.125 equals to whole cube minus 5 into 0.125 plus 1, and your value is 0.37695, that is positive. Now you have to check the point where the value is negative. So the negative value at the point f of 0.25, it is also negative, right? And at the point x2, at the point of the value, at the point x2 it is negative, at the point x1 it is also negative, right? And at the point 1 it is also negative, at the point 0 it is positive, right? So you have to choose the negative. So we have three values. 1 is also negative, right? 0.25 is also negative, and 0.5 is also negative. So the nearest point of 0.25 is 0.25. So you will choose 0.25, not 0 or 0.5, right? So we have only, if in that type of condition, we only choose the nearest value, nearest root value, right? So the nearest value of 0.125 is 0.25, right? So the next interval is 0.25 and 0.125, right? Now the fourth root is x4 equals to 0.25 plus 0.125 divided by 2, right? And this is 3/16, right? Now you will find the fifth iteration. Same procedure, you have to check the value of the function at the point 3/16 and find the new interval. Now check f of x at x equals to 3/16, right? So f of x equals to x cube minus 5x plus 1. Put the value of x equals to 3/16. f of 3/16 is 3/16 whole cube minus 5 into 3/16 plus 1, right? And you will get the answer is 0.0690, and it is also positive. Now you will check where the value of the point is negative. So we have x2, it is negative, we have x3, it is positive. So we will not use x3, we will use x2. So because we have to fulfill the criteria of this also, f of 0.25 into f of 3/16 should be less than 0. because the value at the point 25 is negative and at the value of f of 3 by 16 is positive. So negative into positive is negative, so it is less than 0. So the new interval is 0.25 and 3 by 16, and your fifth iteration or fifth root is x5 and it is equals to 0.25 plus 3 by 16 divided by 2, right? And your answer is 7 by 32. Means your fifth iteration root or fifth root is x5 is equals to 7 by 32. This is the procedure of the bisection method.